Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Scrabble with friends. First, gather 2 to 4 players. Next, place all 100 letter tiles into an opaque bag. Each player then draws 7 tiles to start their hand. The very first word played must cover the center star square on the board, which is a double word score. This sets the foundation for a fun and engaging game night with your friends. During your turn, you'll form a word using your 7 tiles, connecting it to existing letters on the board. Remember, words can only be placed horizontally or vertically. After playing, calculate your score by adding up the letter values and applying any bonus squares. If you cannot form a word, you may choose to exchange some or all of your tiles for new ones from the bag, though this costs you a turn. This keeps the game moving and challenging. To maximize your score, strategically use the bonus squares. Double letter score squares multiply a single letter's value by 2, while triple letter score squares multiply it by 3. Even more impactful are the double word score squares, which double your entire word's value. The most coveted are the triple word score squares, multiplying your whole word by 3. Planning your plays around these can significantly boost your points and lead to victory. The game concludes in one of 2 ways. Either all 100 tiles are drawn and one player uses their last tile, or no more words can be formed by any player. At this point, each player subtracts the value of any unused tiles remaining in their hand from their total score. Finally, after all calculations are complete, the player with the highest overall score is declared the winner. Enjoy your Scrabble game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.